Hey, this is Paul checking in with you, and today I'm bringing you on a special video walkthrough of a house in Clementi. So this is designed as a studio apartment, okay, and whenever I come in here it feels very chill because of the soothing color schemes. And just to let you know that this block is actually has a sheltered link way to Clementi MRT, and as you know, Clementi has so many amenities, 24-hour supermarkets or eateries all around, and of course well served by buses as well. Okay, so right now I'll bring you through the house. Come with me. Yeah, so when you enter from the main door, okay, straight away on your right hand side would be a designated space for work, for play, for study, and for exercise. Right, so this will be a nice study area. You have a choice of lights as well. And what I love most is you can actually get a very nice breeze throughout the year, and you can hear the birds chirping, and you can see greenery at your eye level. So this is always very windy and it's quiet on the high floor. Okay, so you get a lot of workspace. Okay, and as you can see from here, that this is also designated as a space where you can lay out your yoga mat, play on the fitball. You can attend fitness classes online as well. So this is a very nice relaxing area, and of course this will act as a privacy divider, okay, where we come into the bedroom. Okay, so from here you can see that this is a queen size storage bed, okay, and there is also a 3-door wardrobe vanity area. And where I'm standing at, this will double up as if you need to, do some work here. You can just plug into your laptop, and this of course would be your this can double up as a dining area, and you can watch Netflix here and chill over here as well. Yeah, so it always has a very nice calming effect and plenty of space, right? And it has a lot of natural wind and light, so that is why there are this sliding doors over here. It's clear glass, so that it still brings in the natural light. The whole house is actually very bright even without the lights, okay? And when you're cooking, the fumes won't get into the house. So you get a full-fledged kitchen, okay, L-shaped, plenty of food preparation space, okay, and a lot of storage, okay. And not forgetting that you actually have a nice yard area, and you can hang your laundry indoors, so you don't need to hassle about the weather. Okay. And of course you also have a rubbish chute, so it's easy for you to throw your things. And of course, last but not least, I'm going to show you the bathroom. It's also fully renovated. Yes, so I was telling you, front and back is really windy. You get cross ventilation, and you can see it's fully unblocked, very open view. So I believe this house will definitely be snapped up within one viewing, so feel free to connect with me. I'll see you then. Thank you.